Hi, today we're going to see how to create the first Hello World program using our HTML tags. So to begin with, the HTML tags have an opening tag within the angular brackets and a closing tag with a / HTML. And all the other tags go in between the HTML open and the closing tag. So HTML also has two sections. One is the head section. Underneath, we can write the title tag so that we can give the title to our application. So I'll mention it as my first HTML program. So ensure that every tag which is opened is closed. We follow it as a rule because versions higher to HTML5 requires that the tags has to be closed. It's a good practice in the program. The second section contains the body where I'm actually going to write my message under the P tag, which is the parent tag. So P, and I'm going to say that hello world with HTML. So I'm going to close the P tag here, and then I'm going to close my body tag. So now let us see how to execute this particular HTML code. So what we need to do is we need to so I'm going to arrange it so that you get a better view. So I have a HTML here. Underneath I have the head section. Under the head section I have the title, which is going to give me the title of my first program. I have closed the title here. See, I've forgotten to close the head section, so I'm going to close my head section here. And then I've opened the body section. I have the P tag here. Underneath, I'm writing my hello world with HTML. And since it is not going to show you the output if there is any errors. So you have to debug the errors. Suppose you have forgotten to close the tags in case. Right? So now all my tags are in place. I have neatly opened it and closed the tags. So let us see how to execute this. I'm going to save this now. So since it's an HTML5, I need to save it as .html. So I'm going to save it here. So choose your directory where you want to change. Give a name. I'm going to say program1.html. And you ensure that you choose the option here, all files, and save. There are two ways to execute this program. One is open the browser and then choose your file, which is your program1.html. You can see it here. The other way is, you can see here, I have saved this on my desktop, program1.html, which is converted into the browser icon. Okay, I have to just double click on this. This is the simplest way. So I'm going to double click on this, and you can see my very first Hello World program with HTML is successfully executed. Thank you.